Alright, so here's the 2023 Goodman heat pump that just started up. Here's the Ameristar. It's got a Goodman scroll compressor. I literally just set up a couple minutes ago. So this video should be up in a couple days or so, because I still have a lot more videos to upload. But yeah, it's got a broad ocean fan motor. Here. He has this really interesting rattle, like right here. .23 2.5 ton GSZB4. Already nice and cold and sweaty. It's quiet except for right here. This is why it's so loud. Other than that, it's whisper quiet. That's just what's making it worse. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a shutdown. But yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.